Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing guys how to fix the GTA 5 online error code unable to save data for character. And yeah, so let's get started. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing you guys can do is simply turn off your PS4. And the reason we're going to be doing this is because we're going to be putting our PS4 into safe mode. Now, if you do not know how to put your PS4 into safe mode, do not worry, I will show you in this video. So in order to put your PS4 into safe mode, you're going to have to first make sure that the PS4 has been completely turned off. So like these blinking lights are gone, it's not flashing anymore. And what you're going to do is you're going to have to hold on the power button of your PS4 for about 6 to 8 seconds. So yeah, so once it's fully turned off, it should turn off any second now. Okay, still not turned off. It does take a while. Okay, now that it's turned off, what you're going to do is you're going to hold on the power button until you hear 2 beeps. So that was the first one. The second one should come after about like 6 to 8 seconds. And that was the second one. And once you hear the second one, you can let go. And what you're going to do is you're basically going to... Oh yeah, you're also going to need a USB charger, or just basically your PS4 controller charger. So let me just bring that out. You're going to need a charger basically. You're going to hold on the PS button, and then you're going to scroll down until you see 5.rebuild database, and you're going to hit rebuild database, and then you're going to hit OK. Now what this does is it removes any corrupt files from your game. So if that could be a reason why the error was happening in the first place, and once you do it, the error should go away. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.